Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you through how to create Instagram account in your mobile phone. If you want to create a new Instagram account, then first of all, you need to install the Instagram application and then open it. Once you go there, click on the create new account and then add a phone number, or you can also add your email address. Add your email address and then hit on next. Then add a confirmation code that is sent in your email address. Check it in your mail and then add it. Now create a very strong password and then hit on next. Add your birth date and your full name as well and then hit on next. Now choose the appropriate username you like and then click on the I agree to create a new account. Now your account has been created. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.